open the O2 sensors, we'll open the exhaust and clean it completely.
One here on this side, I don't know, and one here. So we know filter is bad. Look at the carbon deposit.
Another weekend, another video, but this is a continuation of previous video. If you haven't seen it, go back and see and come back watch this video. Now last week we did a lot of work on my GT650. You can watch that on my recently uploaded video. And this week what we're doing is, I got all the tools. We will open the O2 sensors, we will open the exhaust and clean it completely, and then we will also install the air filter that was pending for last week video. So yeah, before we go ahead and start it, I see that a lot of you guys just watch the video and don't subscribe. So be sure to subscribe to the video, subscribe to the channel, and that helps and motivates us to make more and more video, and then we can create a community, you know what I mean, right? So subscribe to the channel, like the video after watching it if you like it, otherwise no pressure, it's fine, but like the video. Now let's get started. Let me put this on the pad stand. What do you say then? Let me put the bike on the stand and then we will start recording. How do we do it? So, yeah, okay. So we have started opening up the bike. If you see, you can see my older videos. I don't want to bore you guys, in process, taking you to the process, through the process of how do we open and everything. But yes, I will show you how do you open the air filter once again, and then I will show you how do we open these two bolts. Okay, yeah. I don't know if you can see it. One here on this side, I don't know, and one here. So we'll open both these bolts from both the sides, and then from here, and one on the end. It's a lengthy process, but if we are able to open from here, we'll see if we can open this sensor. This is what we need to open it. If we're able to open this one, we'll clean it. Then we'll clean all of the you see, it looks like rust, but it is not. I'm not sure even if it's rust, then we'll clean it. We'll do all of these things today. Then I think I'm done with the GT. Maybe we'll just take the bike and go to a long ride. There's nothing else left to do in this bike anymore. So stay tuned, watch the video till the end, and we'll show you how to do it. Alright, so I showed you last time too, the filter is bad. It's it's completely gone. We have a new filter now. I'll show you. It's from the Royal Enfield. You buy genuine when you have to put something on your bike. So we got the genuine. I already opened it, and this is what it comes from Royal Enfield. We have this new filter. Cool. Alright, look at the condition. This is the older one, this is the newer one, and this is from the top. Does not matter a lot, but this is from inside. It's all black and you can't see it in the end, but when I see it, it's all there are spots of dirt, while this one is crystal clear. You can see it's like the Inception movie. I'll put you guys inside it and you can just go dream to dream. Alright, let's fix it. So before we install, we're gonna clean the box, air filter box one side. And to everyone who wants to know about the price for this is about 350 rupees. Kitna aaya tha? 329 rupees for the filter. I mean, look at the quality. What Royal Enfield is doing these days is just amazing at low cost. Maybe because they are doing it here in India, but again, you cannot beat Royal Enfield in today's time. So people, I have Bajaj too, I have KTM too. But people who don't understand, they need to look into what Royal Enfield is doing. For 320, 350 rupees, this kind of quality filter is just amazing. So we're cleaning at the moment, and then we will install. It's pretty easy. Once you clean from inside, you have to fit it back just like this, and then put all of these back. Basically, yeah, that's it. That's how you install a new filter. No rocket science. Alright, so the air filter is done. Now
sorry. The air filter is done. Now we are opening up the exhaust. So I'll quickly tell you, like I said, you'll have to open one from underneath, one on the top. We'll try opening these two and see. We'll have to open this one as well. And then loosen this one. If the exhaust moves a bit as well, I just need a space to remove the O2 sensor. If that happens, then I think I don't have to remove completely. I'll just keep it here itself and clean it. So we removed the exhaust, both the side. It was pretty difficult. Actually, it is very tight inside it. The couplers, show you. This coupler that gets stuck. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it. It latched onto this one and stays there. Royal Enfield has done a very good job in making sure that all the plugs and everything are tucked in strong, so it doesn't come out even if you're riding fast or not. So removed this. Look how rusty these are. I'm gonna spray some WD-40 on them and clean them before I put it. You see, that is how rusty this is over the time. And I've put both the exhaust here. Now I will clean them and I'll show you the process as well while we do it. So we opened one of the sensor from one exhaust, that is this, and if you can see, look at the carbon deposit. Alright, so this is not too bad, but it's definitely bad since you have all of the carbon clogged here. Since it is clogged here, there are high chances that it is inside as well. So all you have to do is just spray carbon cleaner on top of it. Spray it very carefully. These are very fragile. If you spray all at once and faster, it's just gonna go bad. So I'm gonna clean it and then I'm gonna show you guys. I've cleaned the couplers too. You see, I've cleaned the couplers. I've cleaned the sensors for this and that. It's all clean. This one I put it back. This one I'm gonna now wipe it again and fix it. While I'm doing it, see, this is the inner side of your bike. It always stays dirty. You cannot clean it. So I'm gonna try cleaning it. I cannot get complete all of the dust out of it, but I'll try cleaning as much as possible and then fit it back. So I'll do all of these and then I'll fit the bike and then I'll show you. So here we sprayed little carbon cleaner on the exhaust as well, and then you see it's much better looking from inside than before. There are quite a few here and there. We need a metal brush. There's a steel wool brush that comes in, so that cleans it better. We don't have it at the moment. So you see, this is how the older one looks. We haven't done anything to it. I mean, apart from cleaning the sensor and putting it back, we haven't cleaned it. So we're gonna follow the same procedure. Apply some WD-40 or carbon cleaner wherever possible. Clean it completely and then put it back in the bike. The sensor is clean. That was the main motto of this video, cleaning the O2 sensors. So what happens when you don't clean your O2 sensors? Your RPM struggles to go up and down. The bike don't understand how much oxygen is it taking. The ECU don't understand the amount of air that has to go in the bike for the bike to perform better. You don't get that smooth experience when you get it when the bike is new. Since I've already installed a new filter, clean the O2 sensors. Spark plugs are NGK iridium spark plugs, both, and chain sprocket is new. My bike gonna ride just like the new one, and the experience of riding it gonna be even more better now since we have cleaned it. And you don't have to do it if you don't care about it. Since it's a metal, it's just gonna get rusted and it won't look from outside. I don't like it. I like things clean and neat. I like dirty what has to be dirty, but not all these things. So yep, I'm gonna clean this now, put it back on the bike, fix the tank, fix the couplers, set the bike, and then I'm gonna show you.
A few moments later.
It's already evening. apparently moon is up and the sun is down. It's already about 6:30, I guess, and we have fitted the exhaust this side. I've fitted the exhaust this side. I'm yet to fit this side. I've just bolted out. I've bolted on. I'm gonna fix the screws on the nut on the front first, because if you align it properly here and all the three places, then you could tighten up. Otherwise, you tighten here and there is not aligned there, it'll be a problem. So we are doing that now. More or less everything is done. The bike's gonna go for washing after this. It's pretty dirty, but I don't think there's anything else needed right now as per the work required for GT. You see the filter is done, exhaust O2 sensor is cleaned. In previous video we have cleaned the sensor pertaining to the throttle body and fuel injector. You can watch that. Don't forget to watch my previous videos and all the other videos. So when you install a new filter on your bike and you clean your oxygen sensor or any sensor in that matter, your ECU don't understand initially. So what you do is you turn on the bike and you see it's in neutral and everything is done. See, you turn on the bike, do not accelerate, start the bike, leave it for 5 minutes, let it tune itself. These new bikes are all self-tuned, like ECU detects air and fuel and everything by itself. Alright guys, so everything is done. I know this particular vlog was not that great in terms of what we have done to the bike. It was just opening up the exhaust, cleaning the sensors, and now I'm sending the bike to get it washed. So since we cleaned the exhaust also with the WD-40 and carbon cleaner, the exhaust actually is emitting smoke that is on top. Nothing to worry. That is basically those chemicals getting burnt, so don't have to worry. So that's it guys, that's it for today. If you have come so far, please be sure to like the video, share it with somebody who don't do all this thing and can start doing it by themselves, and also make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, have fun, ride safe. Cheers.